Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the dial-up era while your business blasts off into the future? You're not alone. Traditional banks, with their labyrinthine branches and hidden fees, can leave even the most enthusiastic entrepreneur feeling like they're wading through molasses. But what if there was a better way? A way to manage your business finances seamlessly, with features designed for the modern world, not the typewriter age? Enter Qonto, the challenger bank putting the wow back into business banking. The struggles of traditional banking. Let's face it, traditional banks can be a real pain. Remember waiting in line for what feels like hours just to deposit a check? Or the frustration of deciphering cryptic bank statements filled with hidden fees? Traditional banks often operate at a glacial pace, their technology clunky, and their account structures anything but user-friendly. Need a loan? Prepare to navigate a bureaucratic maze of paperwork and endless meetings. And don't even get me started on the challenge of managing multiple accounts for your business, each with its own set of rules and limitations. The Qonto Revolution. Qonto throws open the windows and lets the sunshine in on business banking. Here's how. Digital at its core, Qonto is a fully digital bank. No more wasting time at branches. Manage your finances from anywhere, anytime, with their sleek and intuitive mobile app and desktop platform. Transparency is king. Say goodbye to hidden fees. Qonto offers clear, transparent pricing plans with no nasty surprises. You know exactly what you're paying for, up front. Built for teams, managing a team? Qonto allows you to create and manage sub-accounts for your employees, giving them the access they need while keeping control over your finances. Goodbye paperwork, hello efficiency. Qonto integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software, saving you the hassle of manual data entry. Imagine a world where reconciliation isn't a four-letter word. International ambitions? No problem. Qonto offers business cards with international payments and free ATM withdrawals abroad, perfect for the globetrotting entrepreneur. Focus on growth. Qonto streamlines your finances, freeing you to focus on what matters, growing your business. But is Qonto right for you? While Qonto offers a compelling alternative to traditional banks, it's important to consider your specific needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Ideal for freelancers and solopreneurs, startups and small businesses, businesses seeking a modern and efficient banking solution. Less ideal for businesses requiring large loans or complex credit products, businesses with significant cash handling needs, deposits. The final verdict. Qonto isn't just another bank account, it's a business management powerhouse. With its focus on technology, transparency, and ease of use, Qonto empowers you to take control of your finances and free up valuable time to focus on what you do best, running your business. Ready to ditch the bank branch bonanza? Head over to Qonto's website and explore their plans. Remember, a smarter banking solution can be the difference between just surviving and thriving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy growing.